Hello everyone and welcome to QuizChampionZone. Can you conquer today's challenge with our little quiz champion? Guess the snacks by the emoji. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's play. Guess the name of this snack. Junior Mints. Do you know this snack? Cheerios. This one should be easy to guess. Rock candy. Here is a hard one. Galaxy. Can you guess this one? Red vines. Do you have any ideas? Arrow. Let's take a guess at this snack. Brownie bites. What is this snack called? Doritos. Can you give me your answer? Onion rings. Name this one. Apple pie. Can you tell me the name of this snack? Cheez-It. What about this one? Smart food. Can you guess this snack? Chocolate chips. What do you think about this one? Swiss roll. What snack do we have here? Popcorn. What's your guess? Sunflower seeds. Can you guess it? Starburst. Can you give me your answer? Dairy milk. Can you guess the snack by the emoji? Popcorn. Can you guess which snack this is? Chickpea.